Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your HTB account and that you have access to the lab or machine. Next, download the unique OpenVPN file. This contains your credentials and routing. Make sure OpenVPN is installed on your system. On Linux, use sudo apt install OpenVPN. On Mac OS, use TunnelBlick or the OpenVPN client. Once downloaded, move the OpenVPN file to a secure folder and inspect it quickly so you know where it will run and which interface it will create. You now run OpenVPN with sudo openvpn config path / your OpenVPN and watch the console output carefully. You need to see authentication succeed and a message about adding routes. That confirms traffic will go through the VPN. Once connected, verify the TUN0 interface exists with IP or ifconfig and check the routing table to ensure HTB subnet routes are present. If you plan to use proxies or split tunneling, configure those after the basic connection is confirmed. You finish by testing connectivity. Ping the target IP or run a simple Nmap scan to confirm reachability. Make sure DNS resolution works. If not, temporarily add HTTP DNS entries to /etc/resolve. Conf or use IP addresses to proceed. If something goes wrong, increase verbosity with verb4 and inspect the logs for TLS/auth or routing errors. Common fixes are incorrect. OpenVPN path, expired token, or firewall blocking UDP/TCP. Once resolved, you're ready to start your HTTP tasks securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.